How to update Lightroom app. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to update Lightroom. First thing, go here to Play Store and search for Lightroom like this. After you search on it, now all what you have to do is click here and go to this green option. You will find update written right here. I already have the newest version of Lightroom, that's why I can't find the update here. But if you have an older version, you will find update here. Click on it and everything must be done. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.